How to fix Lyft app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Play Store from your device and at the top search bar type in Lyft. You have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Lyft app, so make sure that you see open instead of update. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now once you have done that, head over to your settings. Then scroll below onto apps and search for Lyft. Under usage, tap onto storage and clear the cache. Also clear the data, but if you're clearing this application's data, make sure that you remember username and password. Then tap on delete and come back. Then tap on force stop and tap on OK. Once you do all that, this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Once you reinstall it, this will definitely fix your app not working problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.